Namaste, 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 namaste. Bitch, I wanna party like Chris Farley.
Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Jim Torosyan. Today we are going to Cascade and Armenian Yerevan. Let's go and explore it.
Namaste, 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 namaste.
Here we go.
Hello guys, welcome back. This is the Cascade. I'm standing in front of it. Like they made it for the purpose of showing their art inside. Like they place monuments on that, and we will see. Let's go. Hey guys, I will show you thing where these people they made like to drink water. There is a free water here where we can drink by keeping our mouth. I will show you. You can keep your mouth here and you can drink water. It's free and you can find everywhere in the see the nice view. These all arts they made. Flower. You can see Jack Sparrow over there. show you the jet. We will take elevator to go up there, and when we come down we'll show you the view of Yerevan. Okay, let's go in. It's the entrance. You can go with the elevator. Are the arts they made. These are some wooden chairs. This is the place where you get down.
Don't you think we're done?
The fourth painting is about the Mesrop Mashots, who was the main founder of the alphabet. Then we have number 2 guy over here. He spread the word, he gave the word to everybody about the alphabets, I guess. Then on number 3 we have the Armenian king, who also had something to do with the alphabets. So it's, I think, all the alphabet guys over here. Now let's go to the second one, and it's a mural tempera from 1995 to 1998, and as you are reading, we are also reading along. So the first guy is Warden Mkhitaryan, who was the commander of chief in heading Armenian army at the
We don't know much.
war battles in Arabs. So basically the history there,
Yeah.
they had some major fights and issues, and this carries the
Don't you think we're done? Don't you think we're done?
There is a big butterfly over here. We move on.
Take my hand and run, let me be the one. Let's just take the dive. Night's only begun. Don't you think we're done?
This they made by keeping stone over the stone. You can see that. It's also made by stone. about this sculpture is, as I know, is made by this, what's his name? Something. Yeah, it's good and the huge. This is huge and big, and you can see in the video, and it's nice. You can come here, it's nice and good experience. See, and we'll see more here. Okay. Biggest here. This is the biggest shoe ever. Okay. And this is the foot which wears the shoe. Okay guys, this is the green lantern where he comes and charges his rig. Okay, and these guys found it from mining. There is a guy. This is Yerevan. Look at the view guys, we have still more to go up there. I will show you view from there, okay? Hey guys, I am not in the top. This is the middle of Cascade. We have still more to reach up. Just take a look of this view. Okay, it's a ball. Yeah, we are at the top. This is the top view. I'll show you. Okay. Look at this. Okay guys, this is the night view of Yerevan. We came all over from there, from that down to up here. How is it? Comment me below. It's crazy up here.
Me home, 'cause right now everything makes me wanna leave this place and roam. Make me feel alive. Take my hand around, let me be the one. Let's just take the dive. Nights only begun, don't you think we're done?
Let's go down, right?
Don't you think we're done?
Okay, we are entering this and I will show you the things inside.
Don't you think we're done? Don't you think we're done? Knew that it was true from the way you
Model of SY
cross here.
Here. It's 20th centuries. It's great.
Make me feel alive. Take my hand and run, let me be the one. Let's just take the dive.
Okay guys, you saw the cascade, how it looks, and this is like the whole steps are made of limestone, and I got some information about this museum. There are arts inside. It's great, and the huge, no, it's too huge. Now we came from steps. My leg is paining. No, okay, I am signing out from Yerevan. Bye guys, see you. Hello guys, I'm back to room. Like, I'm so tired, like we're climbing the steps, and see you in the next video. Have fun, stay safe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Keep supporting.
Night's only begun. Don't you think?